I'm going to talk about TB, cough, and then H remedy.
Okay.
Ewa, and ewa, and I'm person demand of four. When you had of 4 ocean, baby, be at our ocean. We air for joy TV, so a group.
Alright, lovely people of Ghana and also across the world, thank you and welcome back to For Joy TV GH. Don't forget, my name is Gentle Sam, the only gentleman with fire. If today is your first time doing the watching, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for us. It's all about the power of herbs, the benefits we can get from herbs. That is why Daddy is here, and he is going to help us with some of the herbs we can get from the herbs around us. Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Please, today, what do you have for us?
Today, I'm going to talk about TB, cough, and then H remedy.
Okay.
Ewa, and ewa, and I'm person demand of 4. When you had of 4 ocean, baby, be at our ocean. We air for joy TV, so a group project in the chere dry in the do a Chilean Casafre. The chere wutimi ya, kama wutimi ya with your frame. Me am a yen wabachi. And Kong Kong in Samawa, Anna a webia. A webia nipa one and Mujawo, so one who said Mujawo, say Mudia Wabe, a webia. Say Samawa, say in Kong Kong, say a webia. The pacho, I didn't have a shaman. I didn't repay. Mango pia, nehono. Mango back, mango, a piano, why home. So we may be a more time be grown with the chino, and I shop be a turby be great, be umbrella, you call, Ubina, a mango, piano. The pacho, what the rentia and a bubuzo, rentia and a bubuzo. Pacho face town faces on one day will be 30 minutes. Pacho 24. No man no pa awia awure dikuza go kam anopa awia awure open no ansa na wagidi the pacho tuberculosis no enkonkon nsamawa ewa na wa ba no pacho no man no 14 days na yewu e wana ko no 3 days was e wana atiko but no chese we be dabi emu omu no koso no na 14 days no even more than na enku bia enku mo wana so egum no.
Alright, it's very short and very powerful medicine. He said if you are someone that you are suffering from tuberculosis or any kind of cough, this is a cough mixture for you. You get the back of mango, or let's say that's the back of mango tree. Then you peel it off. You get Rentian, yes, African incense. Okay, you get African incense. You mix it with it. Then you boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Then you will take this disposable cup, the small one. You take it from morning, afternoon, and evening before meal. So morning, afternoon, evening for how many days? 14. For 14 days. Okay, so let me go back to it again so that you can get it. If you are suffering from tuberculosis, any kind of cough, please, this is your medicine. Daddy is giving this medicine for free. You get the back of mango tree, then you get African incense, that is mintia. Then you put it on top of it, then you boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, you let it cool. Then you take this small disposable cup, you take it morning, afternoon, evening, before meal for 7 days. For 14 days, that is 2 weeks. For 2 weeks.
When you take it to 3 days, you see that yes, the cough, sometimes it will cease.
Okay.
The blood will not come, will not be coughing as it is to be. Okay. But don't stop. Okay. Take it to the 14 days, the 2 weeks.
So that is it, and trust me, this is a serious remedy for you. If you do it and you see any changes, any benefit, please make sure you share it with others and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Comment. Go to the comment section.
Just write something there. Yeah, when you benefit from it, just leave your comment there. And trust me, we will come back to you at the right time. Don't forget, my name is Gentle Sam, the only gentleman with fire. I know you have really benefit from these videos that you've been watching. I will leave this number on the screen so that you can call him and find out anything that you want to ask him. You can ask him. If you want him to prepare any medicine for you too, he can do that for you. So God willing, next week we'll come your way with another edition of Power of Herbs. Don't forget, my name is Gentle Sam, the only gentleman with fire. Bye-bye.